Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, healthy drink for the holidays. We're going to make some delicious mulled apple ginger cider. And I'm using nothing but super healthy ingredients. I'm going to use some red and green apples. You could use all green or all red, whatever type of apple you prefer. I'm using a combination. I'm going to use some super healthy spices. Going to be using some ginger. Going to be using some vanilla bean powder. We're going to be using some cinnamon, some allspice, some cloves, and some star anise. These are very healthy ingredients that we're going to use to make this drink. Now I'm going to start by getting a little water in my pot here. All right, so now I've got my spices simmering to bring out those flavors. I set that aside. Now I'm going to juice my apples along with my ginger, get those in the pot, and then simmer some more to bring it all together.
So typically when I juice, I use mostly vegetables and a little bit of fruit to control blood sugar spikes. But I got a lot of requests for apple cider, and this is the holidays, so I'm making an exception. Always know what's suitable for you.
All right, so now I've finished simmering my apple ginger cider here, nice and slow to bring all those flavors out to release into the cider. Now I'm just going to pour it and have a drink. Now I'm going to have this hot or at least really warm. You could also do this over ice. Either or would be fine, whatever you prefer. Happy holidays.